SpaceX successfully launched its Starship megarocket on its fourth test flight from the Starbase facility in South Texas on June 6, 2024. The Super Heavy booster and the Starship upper stage both completed their missions, with the booster landing in the Gulf of Mexico and the Starship splashing down in the Indian Ocean. Despite losing several heat shield tiles and experiencing significant re-entry heat, the Starship managed to hold together until its controlled descent. This test marked a significant improvement in SpaceX's efforts to develop a fully reusable spacecraft system. The company plans to catch the returning booster with giant chopstick arms on future flights, enhancing the reusability and cost-effectiveness of their launches. Elon Musk has indicated that more test flights are planned for this year, with ambitions to refine and perfect the spacecraft for future missions. On June 6, 2024, SpaceX achieved a significant milestone with the fourth test flight of its Starship megarocket. Launching from the company's Starbase facility in South Texas, the event marked a key step in the development of reusable space transportation systems designed for deep space missions. The flight involved both the Super Heavy first stage booster and the Starship upper stage, often referred to simply as SHIP. Shortly after liftoff at 8:50 a.m. EDT, the massive vehicle, standing 400 feet tall, ascended into space. As planned, the stages separated, with Super Heavy performing a controlled descent and making a soft splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico. Meanwhile, Starship continued its journey, eventually re-entering Earth's atmosphere and splashing down in the Indian Ocean. Throughout its flight, Starship encountered significant challenges, including the loss of several heat shield tiles and substantial frictional heating during re-entry. Despite these issues, the spacecraft managed to execute a successful landing burn, showcasing the robustness and resilience of its design. This test flight marked a considerable improvement over previous attempts. The third flight, which occurred in March 2024, saw stage separation but ended with both stages breaking apart upon re-entry. In contrast, the fourth flight demonstrated improved control and durability, with both stages completing their intended splashdowns. SpaceX founder and CEO Elon Musk highlighted the significance of this progress. Following the successful flight, Musk suggested that future missions might involve catching the returning booster with the chopstick arms on the launch tower, a move aimed at enhancing the reusability and efficiency of the system. As SpaceX continues to refine its Starship design, the company has ambitious plans for the coming months. Musk indicated that up to 6 test flights are planned for 2024, with the aim of perfecting the spacecraft's performance and achieving rapid reusability. The data collected from these test flights will be instrumental in advancing SpaceX's goal of creating a fully reusable space transportation system capable of carrying humans and cargo to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. With each successful flight, SpaceX moves closer to making interplanetary travel a reality, paving the way for the future of space exploration.